smell? You smell that acetone?
I smell acetone on like the second one. The first whiff I can when I go in, then I smell the acetone.
So you took the
This is
muscadine and you, what did you do with it? Mash it?
And then you mix it.
That was in two things. It was basically 2 gallons full of muscadines that had been squished.
Go on the counter, you can smell what it.
Go over there. No, he can go over there.
Just the muscadine. Get over here so that I can get it on the camera. And we can do a little scene.
You shouldn't drink that.
No.
It's going to be super tannic.
Why did you tell me to taste
I
it?
just want you to see what it tastes like before you distill it.
No, okay. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Don't worry, I haven't tasted it. I'm
No,
gonna turn
no.
on the camera.
Super dry.
It just tastes like fruit.
Oh, it tastes pretty good.
Taste it.
Just taste it.
Yeah, it tastes like.
But it's not sweet. It's tart and kind of salty.
We left the skins in for a long time. Now you would put it in oak? Not bad.
You know, like the
No, it's
Lindeman's
not.
Framboise, the sparkling raspberry.
Acetone, second one?
Yeah. A little sip on your tongue. Other guy.
How do you feel?
You're not kidding me at all. I'm not even in the picture.
You're very much
Yes,
in the
you are.
picture.
That's much stronger.
Go through it now and
That one's very smooth. This one doesn't smell like much.
Can you still taste alcohol?
No, this one's very weak and it's kind of sour.